What if your party could celebrate the longest day of the year with the brightest memories of the season? Have you ever imagined throwing a summer solstice gathering so magical that it feels like a midsummer night's dream, complete with golden hour lighting, floral crowns, and boho vibes? Whether you're hosting a backyard bonfire, beach picnic, or garden dinner party, this video is packed with summer solstice party decoration ideas that bring the sun, spirit, and sparkle into every detail.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What color palettes work best for a summer solstice-themed party? Color is everything when it comes to capturing the essence of summer at its peak. Golden yellow, burnt orange, and soft coral reflect the power and warmth of the sun. Earthy tones like terracotta, sage, and sand ground the look and give it an organic, nature-connected vibe. Accents in sky blue, lavender, or gold foil can add depth, elegance, and a hint of celestial energy. Let us know in the comments. What colors make your summer solstice feel special? Why is the summer solstice the perfect time to throw a party? The summer solstice isn't just a date. It's a celebration of light, warmth, and the heart of the season. It marks the longest day of the year, giving you more daylight to decorate, host, and enjoy every moment. It carries natural symbolism, growth, renewal, and energy, perfect for vibrant themes and joyful decor. It's a chance to reconnect with nature and your community through outdoor feasts, sun-themed decor, and intentional design. If you're inspired to celebrate the sun this year, like and share this video with your fellow party lovers. How can you decorate your tables for a solstice feast? Whether you're hosting a long banquet table or a casual picnic setup, make it reflect the abundance of the season. Use natural fabrics like linen or cotton as tablecloths and runners in warm, sun-kissed tones. Add wildflower centerpieces in jars, terracotta pots, or mismatched vases to create a foraged from the garden vibe. Layer place settings with wooden chargers, citrus slices, or handwritten name cards tucked into floral bundles. Want more table styling ideas? Head to the playlist linked in the description. What kind of lighting works best for an evening solstice celebration? When daylight lingers but twilight starts to settle, the right lighting can create pure magic. String up warm fairy lights overhead in trees, across patios, or through pergolas. Use lanterns, solar candles, and glass jars with tea lights to bring soft glows to walkways and tables. Add a fire pit or circle of tiki torches as a central focal point for warmth, conversation, and storytelling. Looking for exact lights used in this video? You'll find everything listed in the description below. What outdoor decor elements set the tone for a solstice party? Your setting should feel like an enchanted summer dream that honors nature and the elements. Use natural materials like woven rugs, macrame wall hangings, and wooden crates as display pieces. Incorporate sun-themed decor, sunburst mirrors, hanging paper suns, or garlands with celestial symbols. Use lots of greenery, floral garlands, and herb bundles like lavender or rosemary to awaken all the senses. Subscribe now if you want more outdoor decor inspiration for every seasonal event. How can you include celestial and boho-inspired elements in your party design? The solstice is a cosmic event, so it's the perfect chance to play with moon phases, stars, and magical touches. Hang moon phase banners or sun and moon mobiles from trees or tent poles. Use tarot-style cards, crystals, or astrology decor as centerpiece accents or photo props. Offer floral crowns, feathered accessories, or handmade charms for guests to wear and connect to the theme. Check the description for links to celestial-themed party pieces seen in today's setup. What are fun DIY decor projects for a solstice celebration? DIY elements add charm, save money, and let you personalize every part of your party. Make your own dream catchers or macrame hoops using embroidery rings, yarn, and beads. Craft sunburst wall art using wooden dowels, cardboard, or even popsicle sticks painted gold. Create herbal bundle favors. Wrap rosemary, lavender, and mint in twine as fragrant gifts for guests. Looking for DIY tutorials? They're all in the playlist listed in the description. How do you design a welcome or entrance area that sets the mood? The first impression counts, and for a solstice party, it should feel both festive and grounding. Use a wooden signboard or chalkboard with your event name, a solstice quote, or guest welcome. Line the walkway with flowers, lanterns, or solar stakes to guide guests into the space. Place a hydration station or flower crown crafting table at the entrance for instant engagement. Everything used in today's entry setup is linked in the description below. So if you've been wondering how to host a summer solstice party that captures the magic of the season, now you know it starts with light, layers, and love. By combining nature, symbolism, boho beauty, and a little celestial magic, your celebration will do more than mark the longest day of the year. It will create memories that last well beyond it. The sun is at its peak, and now your party can be too.